Hello people, seems like a long time since our last video, but this one's worth waiting for. It's just come in part exchange, and it's an MG midget, as you can see. It's the desirable chrome bumper one. It's a 1972, and it was sold last year or the year before for over £10,000 from a well-known other plastic car dealer.
She's a beauty, that's a new one.
Cheers, we're in the video now. Anyway, so as you can see, the paint was done a while ago, but it is absolutely lovely. It's old English white. It's got spotlights, it's got the nice chrome grille, which I'm guessing was a sort of extra. It's got proper wire wheels. All the sills have been done and they're all solid where they normally go. It's got the correct interior. Aftermarket steering wheel, but really nice actually, they're expensive I should imagine. Brand new hood, engine, gearbox, all good, drives well. But the paint, I mean, you must be to do this sort of quality paint job, you're talking a couple of grand, maybe £3 even for a little car like this. In the boot, it has, in the boot, it has the carpet kit, so the spare wheels all done nicely, lovely little quarter bumpers. It's just a great little car, you know. I mean, you can buy these for £3 and £4, and they're complete utter donkeys. This one's all done, all ready to go. So I priced up a couple of grand cheaper than it was when they bought it a while ago. So it's 8,995. We can do part exchange. We take cars, we do delivery, but it is a really exceptionally nice little example. It's done 91,000 by the way, and it has got service history. Okay, thank you.